Yes, now we will see this. This is past continuous tense. We are going to see the comparison of active voice and passive voice of past continuous tense. So there is a little difference between present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Just in place of are we are using were in active voice, and here in passive voice in place of is we are using was. So here in active voice, were you reading the book? क्या तुम किताब पढ़ रहे थे? Answer will be yes, I was reading the book. No, I was not reading the book. Passive में हम कहेंगे was the book being read yesterday or by you. और सब्जेक्ट को छोड़ देंगे या नेग्लेक्ट कर देंगे. That is not necessary. Was the book being read yesterday? Yes, it was being read. क्या वो पढ़ा जा रहा था? हाँ, किताब पढ़ा जा रहा था. Were you writing a letter? Yes, I was writing a letter. No, I was not writing a letter. Was the letter being written by you? Yes, it was being written yesterday by you, or you cannot, it is not necessary, you may leave it. Was the door, were you opening the door? क्या तुम दरवाजा खोल रहे थे? And here will be, was the door being opened yesterday? Yes, it was being opened. No, it was not being opened. Were you closing the window? क्या तुम विंडो बंद कर रहे थे? This is in active voice. Yes, I was closing the window. No, I was not closing the window. या no, I wasn't closing the window. यहाँ बोलेंगे कि was the window being closed by you? Yes, it was being closed by me. Was it being closed yesterday? Yes, it was being closed yesterday. No, it was not being closed yesterday. Were you taking tea? Yes, I was taking tea. No, I wasn't taking tea. Was the tea being taken by you? Yes, it was being taken by me. No, it was not being taken by me. Were you giving money? क्या तुम पैसा दे रहे थे? Yes, I was giving money. No, I wasn't giving money. And here, was the money being given by you? Was the money being given by you? Yes, it was being given by me. No, it was not being given by me. Was the mango? Yeah, were you eating the mango? क्या तुम आम खा रहे थे? Yes, I was eating the mango. No, I was not eating the mango. Here will be, was the mango being eaten by you? अब यही प्लूरल अगर हो तो यहाँ कह सकते हैं कि were the mangoes being eaten by you? किसी में भी हम प्लूरल कह सकते हैं. Was the book being read by you के जगह हम were the books being read by you कहेंगे. यानी प्लूरल जैसे ही हम यहाँ yes लगाएंगे, books, letters, doors, वैसे ही हम was की जगह were लगा देंगे. So this is the difference. Were you drinking the milk? Yes, I was drinking milk. No, I wasn't drinking milk. और यहाँ होगा was the milk being drunk by you? Yes, it was being drunk by me. No, it was not being drunk by me. In this way, we can practice our past continuous tense.